Welcome to the Advertising Report, your go-to space for tracking ad performance with key metrics like ad spend, leads, CPA, return on ad spend, and more. The graph below visualizes your ad spend over the report's time frame. You can also view ad spend by individual ad accounts or campaigns to view detailed comparisons of your ad spend over time. Below, the Top Sources widget provides a deeper look into your ad performance. You can drill down by campaign, ad set, or individual ad for more detailed insights. This gives a clearer view of which campaigns are bringing in the most leads and customers. The Ad Engagement widget shows you where in the world your leads and customers are clicking on your ads. You can also view the top landing pages attached to your ads to get a clearer view of location demographics. The Sales from Ads widget tracks all products and orders generated from ads. The Ad Engagement Segments widget allows you to incorporate additional data points and segments related to your ads. You can segment engagement by tags, lists, or custom contact fields within your CRM or email marketing tool. Need deeper insights into your data? Click on any metric to open the data ledger to reveal a detailed view of your advertising leads and customers. You can also click on any email address to explore their complete lead and customer journey. With Reporting 4.0, transparency and actionable insights are always within reach, empowering you to make data-driven decisions with confidence.